So this is one of the boats that you'll see in several of my videos, and just wanted to give you a kind of a quick little tour. We got some LED nav lights here. I want to flip them on. We got rid of the pole mount here, which we actually ran some wiring through, kind of keep everything clean. We got an LED light and a flood HID. Go ahead and flip them on. Good lighting is always something that you should always have on the river. This boat does not have a live well, so we got a Freybill bucket here with a ring mounted to the console to hold it in place. The console actually was back to about right here when he picked this boat up. So that got moved forward, which gives you quite a bit of room out here for handling fish, whether they're big, small, just nice open room. Got some monster rod holders. They're solid, speak for themselves. Got some casting lights back here, so in the dark you can see where you're casting. The fuel tanks were actually on the side here. You can kind of see where it's faded over there. So they're right here. There's two, what were they, 6 gallons?
12 gallons.
Oh, they're 12 gallons. They kind of took up some space, so they got moved and just got a 12-gallon tank back here, which is more than enough for what we run. Got a nice little cutting board here. It's on a ram mount, so you can move it out of the way. It's got your outboard jet here. This boat is a tunnel hull. Gives you a little more clearance in shallow water, not much. He picked up a Humminbird 999 side imaging, down imaging. Very nice for, you know, seeing snags underwater or even fish. Just structure you normally wouldn't see with a regular depth finder. Brush clamps are just these clips that you get at a hardware store. So if you ever want to brush clamp onto a snag of some sort, or rip wad, whatever it may be. That's pretty much it. Here's the boat that you see in the videos.